Every grand voyage begins with a single, precise coordinate on a map of dust. To build a ship that never sails, we must first anchor it deep within the bedrock. Massive earth-moving operations commence, shifting over 500,000 cubic meters of soil. Every movement is a calculated display of raw hydraulic power and engineering intent. Logistics is the heartbeat of construction, a steady pulse of machinery keeping the site alive. We penetrate the subterranean layers to install the primary structural piles. The clock never stops when you are racing to beat the seasonal rains. Millimeters matter when the final structure weighs more than 100,000 tons. Unforeseen obstacles in the earth test the resilience of our heavy machinery.
Persistence and high-carbon steel overcome the Earth's natural resistance. A sterile foundation is the canvas upon which this architectural marvel will be drawn.
Steel reinforcement forms the skeleton that will carry the weight of the land cruise.
Tens of thousands of tons of steel are laid out in a complex, interlocking geometric web.
The first major pour begins, a continuous stream of liquid stone.
This is a logistical ballet, requiring a new truck to discharge every 90 seconds.
Eliminating voids is critical to ensuring the structural integrity of the mall's hull. The keel of our land ship is set, cured, and ready to support the rising bow. The giants are assembled, and these cranes will be the primary movers for the next 2 years. Verticality is achieved as the project finally breaks the surface of the ground. Precise alignment ensures that the weight of the upper decks transfers perfectly to the foundation.
We begin to see the unmistakable silhouette of a nautical vessel emerging from the dust.
Heat and light forge the connections that will withstand the pressure of thousands of daily visitors.
Complex geometry requires a bespoke scaffolding system to support the unique nautical angles.
Protecting the structure from the elements is the first step in ensuring its longevity.
The transition from preparation to realization is complete. The ship is rising.
Sub-level decks are established to house the vast infrastructure required for a modern mall.
Friction and motion create a floor surface that is perfectly level and incredibly durable.
Raw force meets surgical precision in the assembly of the primary frame.
We have achieved the first floor, expanding the ship's footprint to its full width.
The internal systems are the lifeblood of this massive mechanical organism.
To build higher, the machines must first lift themselves into the sky.
Power is routed to every corner, preparing for the millions of lumens that will light the mall.
This hollow core will become the grand lobby, spanning 7 levels of luxury.
Natural stone will provide the hull with a timeless, indestructible finish.
The exterior skin begins to close, defining the ship's aerodynamic shape.
Constant verification ensures the ship remains perfectly upright as it grows. Speed and safety are balanced as the structure accelerates its ascent.
Tension is checked and rechecked
to prevent any structural fatigue in the decades to come. The stern of the vessel is designed for outdoor dining and panoramic city views.
Safety is engineered into the very fabric of the steel skeleton.
Supply chain management is the invisible hand that keeps the cranes moving. Every piece of material, no matter how small, has a designated time and place. A daring engineering feat allows the ship's nose to float in mid-air. Automation assists our human masters in achieving flawless structural welds. Nature presents a challenge, but the machines are equipped to fight back. Adapting to the environment is the mark of an elite construction crew. Momentum is regained as the project enters its most critical phase. The digital twin of the building guides every physical movement on site.
We have surpassed the halfway mark. The vision is now undeniable. Heavy lift synchronization is required for the ship's primary climate systems.
The command center of the ship begins to take its place at the highest point. The ship begins to mirror its surroundings, blending the nautical with the urban. Transparency and strength are combined in the ship's panoramic windows.
The vertical pathways of the mall are dropped into place like giant mechanical puzzle pieces.
Motion is the key to a vibrant shopping experience. A luxury cruise requires a pool, even when the ocean is miles away. Zero leak tolerance is the standard for the upper deck water features. Landscaping at altitude brings the tropics to the heart of the city. Iconic nautical silhouettes serve essential engineering functions.
The gray concrete is buried under a coat of brilliant maritime white.
This finish is designed to withstand UV rays and urban pollution for decades. Opulence is the theme as we transition from structure to style. Traditional artistry meets industrial scale in the ship's interior. Perfection is achieved through thousands of rotations per minute. The ship's nighttime persona is born in a flash of brilliant light. Digital communication is integrated into the ship's architectural skin. Every point of entry is designed to be a grand experience. Vigilance is built in, ensuring a safe harbor for every visitor. Entertainment is the soul of this land-based voyage. We have reached the highest point. The ship's crown is set. The giants that built the ship now make their final exit. The removal of the cranes marks the end of the heavy structural phase. The scar on the earth is healing, replaced by a masterpiece. Symbolic and massive, the anchor grounds the project in its new home. The silhouette is complete. The land cruise is ready for outfitting.
The ship becomes a city filled with the energy of global commerce. Every store is a unique cabin on this massive retail liner.
Branding the experience with the prestige it deserves.
Dining options from around the world are prepared for their first guests.
Water brings movement and life to the heart of the ship.
The infrastructure of the city is upgraded to support the ship's arrival. Order is established in the surrounding port of the mall.
6,000 parking spaces await the tidal wave of visitors.
The final shine is applied, removing the dust of 3 years of construction.
Waves of light move across the building, simulating the movement of the ocean. Every sense is engaged to complete the nautical illusion. History and modern luxury meet in this architectural centerpiece.
The final sense of success replaced the smell of diesel and dust.
The best view in the city is found at the helm of the landship. A moment of transition approaches. The work is finished.
Thousands of hands built this dream, and now they hand it over to the world.
All systems are go. The ship is fully operational.
Anticipation reaches a fever pitch as the city awaits its new icon.
The gangplank is down. The journey begins. The transition from construction site to social hub is instantaneous. A building truly comes to life only when it is filled with laughter. A thriving ecosystem of commerce and community, housed within a masterpiece of steel. At the end of the day, it is a monument to human ambition. A cruise that never ends, in a ship that never sails.
The giant ship shopping mall, a triumph of engineering, now anchored in history.